See, in the previous video, we had done till question number 26 of pre-final examination paper May 2022. Alhamdulillah, we have solved all the questions in part 1 and part 2 video. This is a part 3 video in which we will be solving question number 27, which is a trigonometric question, and question number 28, which is a mensuration question, and also we will be solving MCQs, that is multiple choice questions, or part B of the pre-final paper. So stay tuned and watch till end. And if you are finding this video helpful, then as this requires a lot of hard work and time, please like, share and subscribe. So already I had finished till this step, but still I'll explain. Answer 27, we had to show that sin A by secant A plus tan A minus 1 plus cos A by cosecant A plus cot A minus 1 was equal to 1. So what did we do? We had to prove this LHS is equals to 1. The final answer which we should get is 1. So take the LHS. LHS means left hand side. Sin A by secant A is nothing but 1 by cos A, because we know that secant theta is 1 by cos theta, and tan A is sin A by cos A, because we know tan theta is equals to sin theta by cos theta. Minus 1 can be written as 1 by 1 plus cos A as it is. How can we write cosecant A as 1 by sin A? Because we know that cosecant theta is 1 by sin theta. And what is cot A? Cos A by sin A, because we know that cot theta is cos theta by sin theta. Minus 1 can be written as 1 by 1. So sin A by, take the LCM of cos A and 1. LCM of cos A and 1 is cos A only, denominator. Cos A divided by cos A is 1. 1 into numerator 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Plus cos A divided by cos A is 1. 1 multiplied by sin A is sin A. Then cos A divided by 1 is cos A. Cos A into 1 is cos A. So we got 1 plus sin A minus cos A in numerator by cos A. Plus cos A as it is. Similarly, here also LCM of sin A and 1 is sin A. Sin A divided by sin A, 1. So 1 we have, plus sin A divided by sin A, 1. That multiplied by numerator, that is cos A. So 1 into cos A is cos A, minus sin A divided by 1 is sin A. Sin A into 1 is sin A. That is nothing but sin A as it is. Now if you observe here, by 1 plus sin A minus cos A. Here we have 3 fractions, right? Like here numerator by denominator, by again we have a denominator. So this what we'll do is, this will become reciprocal when it goes up in numerator. So 1 plus sin A minus cos A by cos A, numerator will become cos A by 1 plus sin A minus cos A. Sin A is as it is only. This we are going to do reciprocal. So it becomes cos A comes in numerator and 1 plus sin A minus cos A comes in denominator. Plus cos A is also as it is. This also will do reciprocal. So sin A will come in numerator and 1 plus cos A minus sin A will be in denominator. And now we'll do the remaining step. Of here sin A into cos A into LCM of 1 plus sin A minus cos A into 1 plus cos A minus sin A we have. Now what we can do here? This denominator divided by this denominator. If you observe here the denominator is 1 plus sin A minus cos A into 1 plus cos A minus sin A divided by 1 plus sin A minus cos A. That is 1 plus sin A minus cos A. 1 plus sin A minus cos A will get cancelled. What is remaining? 1 plus cos A minus sin A. So denominator divided by denominator. This you have to divide with this. These both will get cancelled. This will be remaining because these both are same, right? So what is remaining? 1 plus cos A minus sin A. Then we have plus sign. Again, this denominator divided by this denominator. So 1 plus sin A minus cos A into 1 plus cos A minus sin A divided by 1 plus cos A minus sin A. 1 plus cos A minus sin A and 1 plus cos A minus sin A will get cancelled. What is remaining? 1 plus sin A minus cos A is remaining. So 1 plus sin A minus cos A. That implies sin A into cos A into, here we have 1 plus 1 is 2. And plus cos A minus cos A will get cancelled. Plus sin A minus sin A will get cancelled. First, I'll write this as it is. 1 plus sin A minus cos A into 1 plus cos A minus sin A. Now what we can do here? This can be written as 2 into sin A cos A. Okay, because it is nothing but sin A cos A into 2. So I'm writing 2 before. Nothing will happen because it is multiplication only. Now here it is nothing but first term into first term, first term into second term, first term into third term. It is like this. So 1 into 1 is 1 plus 1 into cos A is cos A. Then 1 into minus sin A is minus sin A. Sin A into 1. Sin A. Sin A into cos A. Sin A cos A. Then we have sin A into minus sin A. This is also like this. This is my second term, right? Second term into first term is sin A. Second term into second term is sin A into cos A. Second term into third term, sin A into sin A, sin square A, and also we have plus here, we have minus here before sin A. So plus into minus is minus. Next, similarly, third term into first term, third term into second term, third term into third term. So minus cos A into 1 is minus cos A. Minus cos A into cos A is minus cos square A. And minus cos A into minus sin A is plus cos A into sin A. Now, here also it implies 2 sin A cos A divided by 1 as it is. Now here I have minus sin square, here I have minus cos square A. I'll write this together, minus sin square A minus cos square A. Here I have plus sin A cos A, here I have also have plus cos A sin A is nothing but sin A cos A only. So sin A cos A plus sin A cos A, that is 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2. So sin A cos A plus sin A cos A is nothing but 2 sin A cos A. And here plus cos A minus cos A will get cancelled because this is plus, this is minus, plus sin A minus sin A will get cancelled because this is plus and this is minus. Already I wrote minus sin square A minus cos square here, and sin A cos A plus sin A cos A is 2 sin A cos A. Now this is 2 sin A cos A by 1 as it is, minus will take out common from sin square A and cos square A. So if I take minus common, I am left with sin square A plus cos square A plus 2 sin A cos A. This is nothing but it is equal to 2 sin A cos A divided by 1 minus, what is sin square A plus cos square A? Sin square A plus cos square A is 1. Why? Because we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Here theta is nothing but A. So since sin square A plus cos square is 1, I am writing here 1 plus 2 sin A cos A. Now here plus 1 and minus 1 will get cancelled. What is remaining? 2 sin A cos A by 2 sin A cos A is remaining. Numerator and denominator both are same here. Observe. So 2 sin A cos A 1 is 2 sin A cos A 1 is 1 by 1. 1 by 1 is nothing but 1. So that is equals to RHS. We had to prove the whole LHS is equals to 1, right? See. We had to prove sin A by secant A plus tan A minus 1 plus cos A by cosecant A plus cot A minus 1 is equals to 1. So our answer which we got is 1 here, which is hence verified. Okay. Now see the 28th question. A toy is in the form of a cylinder with hemisphere on one end and a cone on the other end. That is, it is telling that we have a toy and in that toy it is made of 3 shapes. Cylinder, and on the cylinder we have hemisphere and cone. And the height and radius of cylinder is 14 centimeter. Radius is 6 centimeter. Height is 14 centimeter. Radius is 6 centimeter of what? Cylinder. And radius of hemisphere is all, and cone is also same as radius of cylinder. So radius of cylinder, hemisphere and cone, all the 3 are same. We have to calculate the surface area of the toy if the height of the cone is 8 centimeter. All this data is given to us. So first let us write the data. Given, it's given that we have a cylinder, okay, and on the cylinder it is telling that one end is hemisphere and other end is cone, and it's given height of cylinder is 14 centimeter and radius of hemisphere as well as cone is how much? It is equal to 6 centimeter. So this is my radius of cylinder, hemisphere and cone, all the 3. And also height of the cone is given to us. Height of the cone which is given to us is how much? This is my height, right? Height is given as 8 centimeter. Okay. Now let us write all these data. Radius of cone is equals to radius of hemisphere is equals to radius of cylinder is equals to R is equals to how much is given? It's given as 6 centimeter. And height of cylinder is given as 14 centimeter. So we'll write height of cylinder H is equals to 14 centimeter, and also height of cone is given. So we'll write height of cone is equals to h1 will consider for height of cone, because both the heights are different. Height of cone is different and height of cylinder is different. Let height of cone is h1, that is nothing but 8 centimeter. Now it is telling me in the question to find out the surface area of the toy. Here I have to find surface area of toy. Okay, so surface area of toy means from the outside, how will it look? These bases will not be visible from the outside, right? This is my base and this is my base. These bases will not be visible from the outside. It is wholly covered. So if it is wholly covered, only the curved part of the hemisphere will be visible, the curved part of the cylinder will be visible, and the curved part of the cone is visible. So surface area of toy is nothing but curved surface area of hemisphere plus curved surface area, that is CSA of cylinder, plus curved surface area of cone. Now substitute the formulas. Curved surface area of hemisphere is given as 2 pi r square. You should know the formulas well. Curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r into h, plus curved surface area of cone is pi r l. But before substituting in this formula, we don't know the value of L here. L is known as slant height. Here it directly didn't give the slant height in the question. We have to calculate the slant height. This is known as slant height L of the cone. The formula to calculate slant height of cone is L square is equals to R square plus H square. So here we'll calculate, since L square is equals to R square plus H square, L square is equals to R. What is the R given to us? Here 6. So 6 square plus height is given as 8 square. 6 6 are 36 plus 8 8 are 64. 64 plus 36 is 100. That is nothing but L square. So send that square this side, it becomes square root. Square root of 100 is 10. So we got L is equals to 10 centimeter. Okay, now substitute all these values in the equation 1. So we have 2 into pi told it to take in the question as 22 by 7. So in place of pi, 22 by 7 into r square is 6 square plus 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 6 into h of cylinder is 14 centimeter. We should be very careful when we substitute the values, because we know all the values can be like some silly mistakes can be made when we substitute the values. Pi is given as 22 by 7 into r is 6 into L we found out is 10. So here see, observe, 22 by 7 is common in all the three, okay, and also 6 is common. So we'll take 22 by 7 into 6 common out. If I take 22 by 7 and 6 out, here what is remaining? 2 inside the bracket, and also 1 6 is remaining. It is 6 squared. 1 6 I took out, 1 6 is remaining. Plus here I took 22 by 7 common, here I took 6 common. So what is left? 2 into 14 is left inside the bracket. Plus 22 by 7 is taken out, 6 is taken out, here 10 is left. So that implies 22 by 7 into 6 into 6 2s are 12 plus 14 2s are 28 plus 10. Now what you should do? You should add 12 plus 28 plus 10. 12 plus 28 plus 10 is 8 plus 2 is 10. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 50. 50 we have. So this is nothing but 22 by 7 into 6 into 50 we have. So now you should simplify this. 22 by 7 into 6 into 50. 22 by 7 into 6 into 50 is 7 won't go in 22, 6 and 50. So multiply the numerator first. What is 22? 6 are 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. 132. So 22 6 are 132. Multiply 132 into 50. 0 2s are 0. 0 3s are 0. 0 1s are 0. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 0 0 6 6 we have. That is 666 100 by 7. Now divide this. 6600 by 7. 7 outside. 6600 inside. 7 9s are 63. 6 minus 3 is 3 0. 7 4s are 28. 2 0. 7 2s are 14. 20 minus 14 is 6. Take a 0. Put a point. Bring down 0. 7 8s are 56. We have 4 0. 7 5s are 35. Part B, 20 questions are there. You have to do all of them, no choice. First question, the value of log 27 to the base root 3. How to do this question? Here you should find out the prime factorization of 27. 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. This 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. Similarly, this 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3, and this 3 can also be written as root 3 into root 3. So how can they write this? Log 27 as, instead of 27, what will you write? How many root 3's you have for 27? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Root 3 power 6. And what is the base here? Root 3. So this implies log, it is in the form of log x power n to the base a. What is log x power n to the base a? Log x power n to the base a is n log x, right? To the base a. So how can I write log root 3 power 6 to the base root 3? Log x power n to the base a is n log x to the base a. So n here is 6 into log root 3 to the base root 3, that is nothing but 6 into, it is in the form of log n to the base n, because both are same, root 3 root 3. It is in the form of log n to the base n. What is log n to the base n? 1. So 6 into 1. What is 6 ones are 6. So what is the answer? Option C, 6. Second question, if cardinal number of set A is 3, and then the possible number of subsets of set A is the formula to calculate number of subsets is 2 power n. Here what is n? N is number of elements in a set, which is also called as cardinal number. So what is the cardinal number given to us here? 3. So in place of n, substitute 3. What is 2 cube? 2 into 2 into 2. That is 2 3 times is called as 2 cube. That is nothing but 8. So how many number of subsets we have? We have number of subsets are option B, that is 8. How did I calculate? The formula to calculate number of subsets is 2 power n. N is 3, so 2 cube is 8. Third question. Degree of polynomial p of x is equals to 2x power 4 plus 5x cube minus 3x square plus 6x plus 7. Here degree means highest power of the variable. So here the variable is x. What is the highest power? 4. So 4. The nth term of arithmetic progression an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Then d indicates common difference. Which of the following equation is parallel to line 2x minus 3y plus 7 is equals to 0? You should remember the conditions for doing this. For parallel lines, remember a1 by a2 should be equal to b1 by b2, should not be equal to c1 by c2. Here a1 is 2, a2 is 3. So 2 by 2 if you do, you will get 1. 3 by 3 if you do, you will get minus 1. a1 by a2 is equals to, is not equal to b1 by b2 you are getting here. So option A cannot be possible. What about option B? That is here I mean to say is, see here I have 2x minus 3y plus 7 is equals to 0 means a1 is 2, b1 is minus 3 and c1 is 7. And I have on option B I have the equation 4x plus 6y plus 14 is equals to 0 means a2 is 4, b2 is 6 and c2 is 14. See what is a1 by a2? a1 by a2 is 2 by 4. Here b1 by b2 is minus 3 by 6. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. We know 1 by 2 is not equal to minus 1 by 2. But the condition which we should get for parallel lines is a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2. So option B is also not possible. Similarly, see option C. Here a1 is 2, a2 is 4. So what is a1 by a2 here? We got 2 by 4. Here a2 is minus 3, b2 is minus 7. So b1 by b2 we got is minus 3 by minus 7. Is 3 by 7 equal to 2 by 4? No, not possible. So option C is false. What about option D? a2 is 6, b2 is minus 9. So a1 by a2 means 2 by 6. And what is b1 by b2? Minus 3 by minus 9. Minus 3 by minus 9 means 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. And minus minus will also get cancelled. So we have 1 by 3 is equals to 1 by 3. That is a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 we are getting. And c1 by c2 we have is 7 by 20, minus 20 here. So yes, 1 by 3 is equals to 1 by 3 is not equal to minus 7 by 20. That is we got the condition a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. That is it represents parallel lines. You should remember the various conditions which we have. For parallel lines, this is my condition. So that is how I have done. If you have any doubt, you can comment below. Sixth question, discriminant of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0 is d is equals to b square minus 4ac. That is the formula we have. This is formula question. Seventh, slope of the line passing through the points a 5, 6 and b 0, minus 4 is. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. The formula of slope m is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Okay, so what is y2 here? Y2 is minus 4 and y1 is 6. So minus 4 minus 6 by x2 minus x1 we have here. x2 is 0 minus x1 is 5. What is minus 4 minus 6? Both are minus, so add 6 plus 4 is 10. Bigger number sign is minus, so minus 10 by minus 5 we have. Minus minus will get cancelled. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So we have 2 here. So option D, 2. Which of the following rational number is a terminating decimal? We know whenever a number is a terminating decimal, it should be of the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. 21 can be written as 7 3s are 21. 13 can be written as 13 only, right? 28, 7 4s are 28 we have. And what about this? 8 by 2 square into 3 square. See, here we'll see. 8 can be written as 2 cube by 2 square into 3 square. This is not terminating. This is not terminating because in denominator we have 13 and in denominator. 7 4s are 28. One by 2 square can be written as 5 by 2 square into 5. What about this? This can be written as 1 2 is left in the numerator. So it is option C. Why is option C terminating decimal? Because it can be expressed as 2 power n into 5 power m. See, 7 by 28 can be written as 7 by 28 can be written as 7 4s are. So it can be written as 7 1s are 7 1s are will get cancelled. What is left? 1 by 4 is left. What is 4? Again 2 square. 2 2s are 4. So 1 by 2 square means multiply and divide with 5. So 5 by 2 square into 5. It is to the form of 2 power n into 5 power m in denominator. 2 square into 5. That is why option C is the answer. That is a terminating decimal. Ninth question. Which of the following is a 0 of the polynomial? 0 of the polynomial means if you substitute that value in place of x, you should get p of x as 0. So substitute minus 2 by 3 and see if you are getting 0 or not. 3 into x square minus x minus 2 we have. Substitute minus 2 by 3. 3 into minus 2 by 3 whole square minus 2 by 3. Minus is already there in the sum and also we have 0 is minus 2 by 3. So minus and x is also minus 2 by 3 minus 2. 3 into 2 2s are 4 we have and minus we will take outside. 2 3s are 9. Minus into minus plus 2 by 3 minus 2. We have minus 12 by 9 plus 2 by 3 minus 9 minus 2 sorry. LCM of 9 and 3 is what? 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3 1s are 1s are 9 only. 9 divided by 9 is 1. 1 into minus 12 is minus 12. 9 by 3 is 3. 3 into 2 is 6 minus 2. 12 plus 2 is 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. So we have 8 by 9 which is not equal to 0. So it cannot be option A. It's asking us 0 of the polynomial. What about option B? 2 by 3. Substitute here and see. 3x square minus x minus 2. 3 into 2 by 3 whole square minus 2 by 3 minus 2. 3 into 2 square is 4 by 3 square is 9 minus 2 by 3 minus 2. 3 4s are 12 by 9 minus 2 by 3 minus 2 we have. LCM of 9 and 3 is 9. 9 divided by 9 is 1. 1 into 12 12 minus 9 by 3 3. 3 2s are 6 minus 9 by 1 9. 9 2s are 18. 12 minus 6 we have is 6. 6 minus 18 is 12 we have. Minus 12 by 9 we have. This is also not equal to 0. So it cannot be option B also. Option C is 3 by 2. So in place of x substitute 3 by 2. 3 into 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 2 minus 2. 3 into 3 square is 9 by 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 2. 3 9s are 27. 27 by 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 2. LCM of 2 is 2 only. Here we have 27 minus 3 minus 2 by 1 is 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 27 minus 3 is 24. 24 minus 4 is 20 we have. So again it is not equal to 0. 10 we have. So it cannot be option C. So what is my answer? Option D. If I substitute I'll get the answer. Yeah, 4 आना, right? Yeah, 4 आना. So LCM of 2 by 4 is 2. 2 into 2 by 4 is 2. 2 into 27. This will become 27 2s are 54. But still it will not be equal to 0. But option D is the answer. Okay. 10th question. Which of the following is the 9th term of AP? 9th term of the AP. Here it is given that which of the following is the 9th term of the AP means n value given to us is 9, A is 2 and D is 11. I'll write directly. Okay, so what do I have here? Here I have We'll use the formula an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d whenever such type of questions are asked. An we have to find out, right? A is given as 2 plus n is given as 9 minus 1 into d is given as a2 minus a1 11 minus 2, that is 9. An is equals to 2 plus 9 minus 1 is 8, 8 into 9, that is equals to 2 plus 8 9s are 72, 72 plus 2 is 74. So which term of the AP is this? It is 74. So here we have to find out nth term an whenever it says which term of the AP is. Okay, remember the question. 11th question, a tangent is drawn from an external point of a circle of radius 8 cm. If the length of the tangent is 15 cm, then the distance of the point from the center of the circle is, that is, here it is telling that there is a circle and a tangent is drawn from an external point to a circle of radius. How much is the radius given to you? 8 cm. And length of that tangent is also given as 15 cm. We have to find out this distance. How can I find out this distance? I know always that radius is perpendicular to tangent, so this is 90 degree, means this is my hypotenuse, right? So here I have to find out the value of AB, that is nothing but hypotenuse square is equals to side square plus side square. So I can use hypotenuse square is equals to side square plus side square, means 15 square plus 8 square. 15 square is 225 plus 8 square is 64. What is 225 plus 64? 5 plus 4 9, 6 plus 2 8, 289 I have. Okay, so I have AB square is equals to 289. I need AB, not AB square. So that is nothing but distance of point from center. I have to find out distance AB, distance of point from this point from the center. So square root of 289. See, remember the perfect squares list. I remember it. Square root of 289 is 17. That is 17 square is 289. So what is my answer? 17. 12th question, in triangle PQR, if XY is parallel to QR and PX is equals to how much? 1.5 cm, XQ is equals to 3 cm, PY is equals to 2 cm, then YR is equals to how much? How to do this? Remember, we have a basic proportionality theorem. Sides are divided in the same ratio. So since this is parallel to this, we have 1.5 by 3, that is PX by XQ is equals to PY by YR, that is 1.5 by 3 is equals to 2 by YR. It becomes 15 by 30, because I want to remove the decimal point, is equals to 2 by YR. I have 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30. So this 2 will go in numerator and this YR will come here. YR into 1 cross multiply is YR, 2 into 2 is 4. So what is YR? I have 4 centimeter. 13th question, if P of E is equals to 0.59, then P of E bar is equals to how much? Remember, we have a concept P of E plus P of E bar is equals to 1. Okay, so E bar here we have to find out. So P of E bar is equals to 1 minus P of E. Here P of E is given as 0.59. So I have to find out 1 minus 0.59. How can I find out 1 minus 0.59? 1 can be written as 1.00 minus 0.59. This will become 0, this will become 10, 9, 10 minus 9 is 1, 9 minus 5 is 4. And here I have 0 as it is, right? This becomes 0. So 0.41. 14th question, if sigma fi xi is equals to 128, sigma fi is equals to 16, then mean x bar is equals to, the formula is x bar is equals to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. So x bar is equals to 128 by 16. That is sigma fi xi by sigma fi. We have 8 1s are 8, 12 minus 8 is 4, 8, 8 6s are 48, 8 2s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. So we have 8. If sine square x is equals to 1, then what is cos square x? We know that sine square x plus cos square x is equals to 1. Here it is given that sine square x is 1. So in place of sine square x, substitute 1. 1 plus cos square x is equals to 1. So we have, what will happen? Cos square x is equals to 1 as it is. Plus 1, if it goes outside, becomes minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So what is the value of cos square x? We have 0. 16th question. If the curved surface area of a cylinder of height 8 cm is 176 cm square, then what is the radius? Okay. So remember, the formula for curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH. Curved surface area is given as 176. So in place of curved surface area, substitute 176. See, I have done curved surface area is equals to 2 pi RH. Curved surface area is given as 176. So substitute here 176. 2 is as it is. Pi is 22 by 7. R we have to find out. H is 8. Take this divided by 7 that side, becomes 170. R is equals to 176 into 7 in numerator and 2 into 22 into 8 will come in denominator. So how to divide this? 11 ones are 11. 7 minus 1 is 6, 6. So 66. 11 6 are 66. 11 2s are 22. Okay, then 8 ones are 8. 8 2s are 16. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. Here I have 7. Here I have 2. 7 by 2. If I divide, I'll get 3.5 centimeter. If x comma x plus 7 and x plus 8 are sides of a right angle triangle where x belongs to n, then the value of x is how much? Achha, are the sides of a right angle triangle means we have to do this by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, x is the smallest side. This is x plus 7 and this is x plus 8. So again, Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equals to side square plus side square. So we should do x plus 8 whole square. Hypotenuse square, x plus 8 whole square is equal to side square, x plus 7 whole square plus x square. So how to open this? This is the form of a plus b whole square. What is a plus b whole square? A square plus 2ab. 2 into x into 8. 2 8s are 16. So 16x plus 8 8s are 64 is equals to x square. It is again the form of a plus b whole square. What is a plus b whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square. A square is x square plus 2 7s are 14x plus b square is 49 plus x square we have. That is nothing but x square will get cancelled here. Okay. We have send this 16x and 64 also that side, becomes x square plus 14x plus 16x if it goes that side, minus 16x plus 49 as it is, plus 64 if it comes this side, minus 64. Okay, that is nothing but x square. 16 minus 14 is 2 and bigger number sign is minus, so minus 2x. What is 64 minus 49 we have? This becomes 5, this becomes 14. 14 minus 9 is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 5, 15 we have here. That is nothing but minus 15 is equals to 0. How to find out the value of x? There is x square. 5 3s are 15. I will have 5 and 3. Because 5 minus 3 is 2 and also 5 3s are 15 and bigger number sign is minus, so I'll write minus 5x plus 3x. 5 minus 3 is 2 and also 5 3s are 15. So my factors are minus 5x and plus 3x. So here I am doing a short form. X will be common. X into x minus 5 in bracket. Again x minus 5 will be in bracket. Between 3x and minus 15 plus 3 is common. So I have x plus 3 into x minus 5 is equals to 0. Or I have x plus 3 is equals to 0 or x minus 5 is equals to 0. So I have x is equals to minus 3 or x is equals to 5. So what is my answer? 5 centimeter. That is option A. 18th question. Which of the following is not an example of equally likely event? Not an example of equally likely event means, equally likely event means which is in which the chance of occurrence is equal. Okay. So for example, equally likely event is rolling a die containing numbers from 1 to 6 is an equally likely event. Okay. Choosing a card from a deck of cards is equally likely event. And tossing an unbiased coin also is an equally likely outcome. Tossing an unbiased coin means in which we have equal chance for the head to occur or an equal chance for the tail to occur. So my answer is option D, choosing a ball at random from a box containing 5 red balls and 8 blue balls. Since here the number of red balls and number of blue balls are not equal. So this is not an example of equally likely event. Equally likely event means in which the chance of both the outcomes same. Okay, if you want, you can go and refer my video or playlist. In the playlist of probability, the formulas of probability I have explained in detail. 19th question. Mode of the values of sine 0, sine 90, cos 90, tan 30 and secant 60 is. Okay, what is the value of sine 0? 0. What is the value of sine 90? 1. This I am writing from trigonometric table. Cos 90 is 0, tan 30 is root 3 and secant 60 is opposite of cos 60. What is cos 60? Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So secant 60 is 2. Okay, so here we have sine 0 is 0 and cos 90 is 0. So what is the mode? Mode is 0 because it is occurring maximum number of times, 2 times. If the length of the shadow of a pole is root 3 times to its original height, length of the shadow of a pole, shadow is how much? Root 3 times its original height. Then what is the angle of elevation of sun rays? This theta I have to find out. The length of the shadow of a pole is root 3 times to its original height. So let the original height be h. Then the length of the shadow is how much? Root 3 times of original height, that is root 3 into h. So what is the value of this? This angle can be found out by opposite side by adjacent side. So which trigonometric ratio we can take? Theta. So tan theta is equals to h by root 3h. H will get cancelled. So we have tan theta is equals to 1 by root 3. What is 1 by root 3 in case of tan? 1 by root 3 is tan 30. So we have theta, tan will get cancelled. Theta is equals to 30 degrees. So we have option D, that is 30 degrees. Okay, this completes our MCQ questions. Thank you very much for watching. If you have found this video helpful, then please like, share and also subscribe. All the very best for your exams. If you have any doubt, please comment below. All the best for your exams.